In the ever-evolving world of technology, the TP-Link Deco AX3000 Wi-Fi 6 mesh system, or the Deco X55, emerges as a potential game-changer. For those grappling with weak Wi-Fi signals and dead zones, this could be the silver bullet. Dive into the features of the Deco X55, and it becomes evident why it's gaining popularity. The mesh system blankets an area up to 6,500 square feet, ensuring a robust and consistent Wi-Fi signal. No more interrupted connections or irksome buffering. Setting up the Deco X55 is a walk in the park. The Deco app walks you through each step of the setup process, enabling a quick and hassle-free installation. The app also equips you with advanced controls such as parental settings and network prioritization, giving you the reins of your network. Each Deco unit is equipped with 3 gigabit Ethernet ports. This allows for hardwiring of devices like gaming consoles or smart TVs, ensuring faster speeds and more reliable connections. And for the tech-savvy who prefer a wired backhaul connection, the Deco X55 supports Ethernet backhaul for optimal performance across the mesh network. But every rose has its thorns. The Deco X55, while offering impressive coverage and performance, comes with a heftier price tag compared to other mesh systems. This might deter those on a budget. Also, despite the Deco app being user-friendly and packed with features, there have been reports of occasional bugs and connectivity issues. However, TP-Link has been proactive in releasing firmware updates to iron out these glitches. In a nutshell, the TP-Link Deco AX3000 Wi-Fi 6 mesh system is an investment worth considering for anyone seeking to upgrade their Wi-Fi network. It offers extensive coverage, easy setup, and a suite of advanced features. While it might be a bit heavy on the pocket and the app could use some fine-tuning, the benefits it brings to the table are hard to ignore. So, that's the lowdown on the TP-Link Deco AX3000 Wi-Fi 6 mesh system. Keep tuning in for more deep dives into the world of tech. Remember, knowledge is power. Until next time, stay curious and stay connected.